Welcome. In this video, I'll show you multiple ways on how to fix File Explorer if it's not responding. All right, so first fix here, just a simple restart like so. Once done, check if your File Explorer is now working fine. If not, go ahead over to the search bar and look for File Explorer like so. Now go ahead and click on File Explorer options. Okay, click on it. Now in here, in this tab, make sure that you are under General. Now open File Explorer 2. Click on the drop down and click on this PC. All right. Once done, go ahead and make sure that all of these boxes right here are ticked. Now, once done, just hit on clear. After that, hit on apply, hit on OK. Now check if it works like so. Now, the next option, if that doesn't help, right click on the blank space right here on your taskbar. Now click on Task Manager. If not, you can go ahead and press Ctrl+Shift+Escape simultaneously to open up the Task Manager. Double click on it or maximize it. Now you're going to want to go to the Details tab, which is right here, like so. Now look for File Explorer or Explorer EXE. There you go. Right click on it. Now go ahead and click on Restart. Okay. Now if that still won't work, go ahead and go to your search bar once more. Now look for System Update. Okay. Your computer might need an update. Just go ahead and click on check for updates, and if there are available updates, go ahead and download and install it. Once done, it will require restart, so restart your computer and check if it helps. Now if that still won't work, go back to your search bar once more. Now look for System Restore like so. In here we have the recovery. Okay, click on it. Now click on Open System Restore. Now we have a recommended restore right here. Just click on next and follow the simple prompts. Once done, again, restart your computer, and after that, everything should work perfectly fine. Now, and that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.